Imagine turning complex 3D designs into accurate, professional quotes in minutes, not hours. With SmartQuote, that is exactly what your business can do. By working directly from 3D files, SmartQuote automatically extracts everything you need. It identifies material thickness, part details, and bend requirements instantly. There is no need for manual calculations and no guesswork. You can quickly organize parts, remove unnecessary items, and focus only on what matters. The real power comes from automation. The system reads your 3D model and calculates material usage, quantities, and fabrication steps in real time. Whether it is cutting, bending, or assembly, every detail is captured with accuracy. This reduces errors, speeds up your process, and gives you confidence in every quote. It is also flexible. You can assign materials, apply vendor settings, and include tooling or hardware costs with ease. If you need to change quantities or remove items, it only takes a few seconds. SmartQuote fits into your workflow and makes it simpler. You also get clear cost visibility. Every part of the job, from materials to labor, is calculated and easy to understand. This helps you price jobs correctly and protect your profit. When you are ready, SmartQuote creates a clean and professional PDF quote. It includes all the information your customer needs to move forward. Quoting is one of the most important parts of your business. Fast and accurate quotes help you win more work. Clear pricing builds trust with your customers. Efficient processes help your business grow. With SmartQuote and 3D integration, you are not just working faster. You are working smarter, winning more jobs, and staying ahead of the competition.